Welcome back to the channel. I just want to show you this fantastic tomahawk steak that I pulled out of Aldi. It's a wonderful piece of meat and I'm going to show you how I do this on a barbecue. Now this is where you can season it if you want to. You don't want to overcook this, so keep it turning to get a nice even cook on both sides. Look at that beautiful colour. Now I'm sticking the probe in here and going for a target temperature of 52 degrees Celsius. Taking it off the flame, adding some oak chunks, putting the lid on and waiting for that target temperature. Once it's reached, we take the steak off onto a board, cover it with foil to rest that meat, and once that target temperature has reached 58 degrees Celsius, for a perfect medium rare, we're ready to take it off the bone and carve it. And I'll be gnawing on that bone later. And we're going to slice this into about 3 to 4 millimeter slices. And there you have it. Tomahawk steak. Done. And delicious. Well, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please do give us a like and subscribe. Click that bell icon for notifications when we upload new content, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, folks. Bye.